One important thing that many engineering business leaders don't realize is why it is taking so much time for their team to make an efficient, complex engineering product. It seems like maybe the team is inefficient, or they are not using the right approach, or they're not spending enough time. But in my experience, one of the fundamental things which most people miss is that the team does not have a strong background in mathematics. I think that if you have access to strong mathematical tools, your team will eventually end up solving a lot of problems in an optimal fashion without having to worry about doing a lot of iteration. And I've seen even advanced engineers across the world, across different continents, I've seen people not have a strong foundation in statistics. And I think that even if you don't understand how the math behind something works, when you have made a change to your system, you should definitely test it a sufficient number of times that it's statistically significant for you to come to a conclusion that this system is going to work fine. I've seen people where they would test something on, say, one power system or one robot and say, oh, I think that I tried it a few times and I ran it overnight and there were no errors, right? That's not a way to say that your system is going to work fine. You have to run it on a sufficient fleet of your systems, whether it's battery chargers or power systems or robots, and then you have to run it across a variety of configurations for a sufficient number of times. You have to take the data. You may have to overlay the plots, and once I overlay, I can see what the spread is. And similarly, I can also do analysis and get like mean, standard deviation. And so you have to have things like these before you can say, in a statistical sense, that my system is ready to go.